This is Jantec Neon, an American-made sign company. And this is what we do. Signs are bent here by our highly skilled tube benders. Once a sign is completed, it's sent here to be bombarded. Then it's dipped here to hide the backside of the glass and is left to dry. Then the sign is moved to the assembly department. Backings are cut, transformers are mounted, glass is wired, positioned, screwed, and glued. Every task is completed by a different person till it reaches the end of the line to be finished by attaching copper wires, small bands, and our custom labels. The last step is to be packaged with our unique extra secure top secret packing method to ensure your handmade glass sign arrives to you intact, ready to last many years to come. That's the quick overview of our handmade American products. Jantec Neon, quality made American products.